A great Brazilian wax doesn't start with the wax, it starts with proper preparation. Today, you'll learn the techniques that help beginners achieve cleaner, smoother results while avoiding common mistakes. Whether this is your first time or you're improving your technique, these step-by-step tips can help you wax more confidently and safely. The day before waxing, gently exfoliate the area to remove dead skin cells and help lift trapped hairs. On waxing day, make sure the skin is clean, dry, and free of lotions or oils. Before using a new wax product, perform a small patch test to check how your skin reacts. Heat the wax until it has a smooth, honey-like consistency. Wax that's too hot or too cold won't perform well. Apply a thin, even layer following the natural direction of hair growth. Let the wax cool until it's flexible but not brittle before removing it. Stretch the skin firmly with your free hand before removing the wax. Remove the wax quickly, keeping the motion parallel to the skin rather than pulling upward. After removing the wax, apply gentle pressure with your hand for a few seconds to help reduce discomfort. A clean removal lifts the hair from the root, which can help results last longer. For the next 1 to 2 days, avoid hot baths, saunas, intense exercise, and direct sun exposure. Resume gentle exfoliation a few days later to help reduce the chance of ingrown hairs. With patience and good technique, many beginners become much more confident over time. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe to MTH Health for more evidence-informed beauty and wellness tutorials.